Okay. Let me ask from solar systems. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system?
Venus,
Which is the coldest planet in our solar system?
Uranus,
Which is the fastest moving planet?
Mercury,
How much moons Mars have?
2 moons,
Which is the biggest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter,
Which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury,
Which is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in our solar system?
Titan,
Which planet in our solar system takes less than 10 hours to complete its rotation?
Jupiter,
This planet has the most prominent ring system around it in our solar system.
Saturn,
This planet is known as the blue planet.
Earth,
This planet is known as the red planet.
Mars,
This is the brightest planet in our solar system.
Venus,
This is the biggest planet in our solar system.
Jupiter,
Which is the closest star to Earth?
Sun,
The gas in most abundance on Earth is?
Nitrogen,
Gas is composed of molten rocks that comes out during a volcanic eruption.
Lava,
Earth completes one rotation in approximately how many hours?
24 hours,
Days of Earth results in day and night.
rotation,
Days of Earth results in the change of seasons.
revolution.
The rotation of Earth changes when?
The Earth spins in its own axis.
In the dash season, the Earth is closest to the Sun.
Summer season,
Alteration in the length of the shadow is caused due to?
Earth's rotation.
Our solar system is part of which galaxy?
Milky Way galaxy,
How long does it take sunlight to reach the Earth?
8 minutes to 20 seconds.
Okay, next, who invented what? Okay. Who invented electric bulb?
Thomas Alva Edison,
Who invented airplane?
Wright brothers,
Telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell,
Computer?
Charles Babbage,
Calculator?
Blaise Pascal,
Television?
John Algebra,
Electricity?
Benjamin Franklin,
Steam engine?
John Swatt,
Diesel engine?
Rudolf Diesel,
Bicycle?
Macmillan,
Radio?
G. Marconi,
Rocket?
Goddard Hutch,
Okay. The next topic is tallest, longest, smallest in the world. Okay. Name the tallest building in the world.
Burj Khalifa,
Which is the highest mountain peak in the world?
Mount Everest,
Which is the tallest animal in the world?
Giraffe,
Name the longest river in the world.
Nile,
Which is the biggest and deepest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean,
Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird,
Which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
Mercury,
Which animal is the fastest runner in the world?
Cheetah,
Which is the smallest country in the world?
Vatican
Smallest-
City,
Correct. Okay. Which is the world's biggest sea animal?
Blue whale,
Okay. Which is the fastest bird in the world?
Peregrine falcon,
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia,
Which is the highest waterfall in the world?
Angel Falls,
Which is the world's tallest monument?
Gateway Arch,
Which is the world's longest railway platform?
Gorakhpur.
Okay. The next topic is national symbols, general knowledge questions for kids. The national animal of India is? National river of India is.
Ganga River.
National bird of India is.
Peacock.
National fruit of India is.
Mango.
National tree of India is.
Banyan tree.
National flower of India is.
Lotus.
National anthem of India is.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song of India is.
Vande Mataram.
National song of India was written by.
Bankim Chandra.
How many Asiatic lions are there in the state of Emblem?
4 lions.
National aquatic animal of India is.
Ganges River Dolphin.
National currency of India is.
Indian rupees.
National reptile of India is.
King Cobra.
National heritage animal of India is.
Elephant.
National vegetable of India is.
Pumpkin.
National game of India is.
Hockey.
National calendar of India is.
Saka calendar.
Okay, the next topic is list of first in India. Okay. Who was the first president of India?
Jawaharlal Rajendra Prasad.
Correct. Okay. Next question. Who was the first prime minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay. The next one is who was the first Indian to travel to space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Who was the first Home Minister of India?
Patel.
Who was the first Indian pilot?
J.R.D. Tata.
Who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna?
Indira Gandhi.
Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay. The next topic is animals and their young ones. You have to tell the young ones, okay? The young one of lion is.
Cub.
The young one of pig is.
Piglet.
The young one of deer is.
Fawn.
The young one of dog is.
Puppy.
The young one of cow is.
Calf.
The young one of kangaroo is.
Joy.
The young one of cat is.
Kitten.
The young one of tiger is.
Cub.
The young one of goat is.
Lamb.
The young one of goat is.
Kid.
Correct. Okay. The young one of elephant is.
Calf.
The young one of sheep is.
Lamb.
Sheep is lamb, okay? The young one of horse is.
Foal.
The young one of gorilla is.
Infant. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like. Thank you for watching this video.